Germany is facing one of the largest labor shortages in all of Europe, with more than 1 million job vacancies across manufacturing, logistics, hospitality, construction, caregiving, and cleaning services. And here's the big news: you can apply for a German work visa without a university degree. But most people don't know the right process, which documents to prepare, or how to find companies that actually sponsor foreign workers. In this video, I'll walk you through everything step by step: eligibility, required documents, high-demand jobs, salary expectations, and how to apply confidently for visa-sponsored work in Germany. Let's get started. Germany's workforce is shrinking, and industries cannot find enough workers. This is why the government has introduced simpler migration pathways and easier recognition for foreign workers, even those without degrees. Who is Germany looking for? People who can work in labor-intensive roles such as warehouse and logistics, construction workers, dishwashers and cleaners, hotel staff and kitchen helpers, care assistants, truck drivers, manufacturing and factory production workers. These roles are officially recognized as shortage occupations, meaning employers are actively hiring from outside Europe. Eligibility requirements. To apply for most of these jobs, you don't need a university degree. Instead, Germany is looking for 1. Work experience. Even 1 to 2 years in similar roles is accepted. 2. A valid job offer from a German employer. This is the key requirement. Once you secure the job, the employer provides your sponsorship documents. 3. Basic English or German. Not compulsory for all jobs, but gives a strong advantage. Many factories and warehouses hire English speakers. 4. Proof of financial means, if required by the embassy. Sometimes needed only for first-time applicants. 5. Clean criminal record. Standard for most visas. High-demand jobs you can apply for. These jobs are easily accessible to foreign applicants. 1. Warehouse worker and logistics assistant. Germany's logistics industry is booming. DHL, Amazon, and other large companies hire foreign staff. 2. Factory and production staff. Packaging, assembly, automotive parts, electronics, and meat processing plants need thousands of workers. 3. Hospitality and hotel roles. Housekeepers, kitchen assistants, waiters, cleaners, and general hotel workers. 4. Construction jobs. Helpers, tilers, carpenters, painters, scaffolders, welders, electricians. 5. Care assistant, entry-level. Elderly homes and disability centers hire assistants who undergo training in Germany. Salary expectations. Entry-level jobs in Germany usually pay 1,800 to 2,400 euros per month, net. Skilled trades or night shift roles, 2,300 to 2,800 euros per month. Overtime and bonuses can raise earnings to 2,800 euros plus. Care assistants or factory workers may receive additional allowances. Required documents for the work visa. Valid international passport. Signed job contract or official job offer. Employer sponsorship letter. Proof of qualifications, if any. Work experience evidence. CV, German format recommended. Passport photographs, biometric. Embassy visa application form. Accommodation proof, sometimes provided by employer. Health insurance, mandatory for visa approval. Where to find visa sponsoring jobs. MakeItInGermany.com, official government portal. Arbeitsagentur.de/Jobsuche, Germany's biggest government job board with thousands of openings. de.jooble.org, a job aggregator that lists factory, warehouse, and hospitality roles. StepStone.de, one of the largest private job platforms in Germany. Many companies clearly state when they support international workers. Germany's labor shortage has opened a huge opportunity for foreign workers, especially those without degrees. If you're serious about moving abroad for better income, stability, and a long-term future, this is one country you should not ignore. Follow the steps in this video, apply to the right sectors, prepare your documents properly, and aim for employers that clearly offer sponsorship. Your journey to working legally in Germany can start right now, and all the links you need are waiting for you in the video description below. And if this is your first time here, kindly tell me where you're watching from in the comments. I would love to personally welcome you. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss my next update on countries currently offering visa sponsorship jobs. Good luck with your application, and I'll see you in the next video.